Daily affirmations. I am making progress towards my goals every day. I am taking small, consistent steps towards my goals. I believe in myself and my capabilities, and I am moving closer to achieving my goals. I am focused and motivated to reach my goals. My efforts are paying off and I am making progress. I will reach my goals and I am closer to success every day. I am taking steps towards my goals every day. I will have patience with myself and my progress. I am confident in my ability to accomplish my goals. I am motivated and inspired to reach my goals. I trust in the process of achieving my goals. I am taking action to reach my goals. I am learning and growing every day. I am taking steps towards success. I have the power to achieve my goals. I am confident and capable of achieving my goals. I am working towards my goals with confidence and enthusiasm. I am motivated to keep taking steps forward. I am allowing myself to take the time to make progress. I am grateful for all the progress I have already made. I am capable of achieving my goals and nothing can stop me. I am taking positive steps towards my goals each day. I am working hard and achieving my goals. I am making progress and reaching new heights. I am focused and determined to reach my goals. I am taking actions and achieving success. I am determined and motivated to reach my goals. I am taking positive steps every day to progress towards my goals. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. I am in control of my future and I am creating a life I am proud of. I am capable of achieving great things and making progress toward my goals. I am actively working to achieve my goals each day. I am dedicated to making progress on my goals. I have the power to make progress and take action. I am open to learning new ways to reach my goals. I am capable of achieving my goals with consistent effort. I am taking positive steps each day to work towards my goals. I am consistently moving closer to achieving my goals. I have the tools and resources to successfully reach my goals. I am making meaningful and lasting progress towards my goals. I am confident that I will reach my goals in due time. I am taking positive action steps to reach my goals. I am focused on my goal and have the determination to reach it. I am confident in my ability to progress each day. I am open to learning new skills to help me reach my goals. I am inspired to take persistent action towards my goals. I am taking action each day to reach my goals. I am proud of my progress and the steps I am taking. I am creating positive change in my life. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals. I am actively working towards my goals and making progress every day. Thank you for watching our Daily Affirmations playlist. We hope these affirmations have brought positivity and inspiration into your life. If you enjoyed this content and want to receive daily doses of motivation and positivity, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay positive and believe in yourself.